everybody, and welcome to Cozy Acres. Well, we had quite the storm here the other night, well, for the last 2 days, and my pots and the plants there and there in the pond have both been blown over, so we're gonna give the fish a heart attack and go wade in there and get that fixed up. Also, the creek has risen quite a bit, typical for this time of the year, but this one's a little more so than normal. As you can see, this year it was up a little bit further than this last night, but the tallest that I've ever seen this creek since we've been here for the past 10, 11 years, 12 years now, is about an inch below the bridge. So this is typical right in through here. This is normal winter creek. And if that cotton picking beaver dam was still there, it'd been a lot worse than this. So this is why we maintain it and keep it clear, so that way this thing flows like this and it doesn't take over. But anyways, let's get back to working on the pond and get it straightened up. So bear with me while I get set up here. And let's go take care of this. Well, that's just going to have to work for the moment. There's supposed to be another little plate underneath that to level out that umbrella plant. I don't see it at the moment. We'll have to wait till everything settles back down, and then I'll grab it and readjust. I need to actually buy some big heavy-duty pots to put those in and then set them in there so that way they don't blow over. But for now, there we have it. All right, so we got it all cleaned up now. I got the beans down. I got the peas out, and I got the tomatoes out. And let me show you closer what it looks like. Oh, here we go. So got those all down. There's the first lemon tree. Got the back all done with the broccoli and cauliflower. The second lemon tree, and then cleared the beans. I mean peas out, and then we did the center, and we're gonna raise this up probably about another 3 feet um, for a total height of 3 feet later on. And then I will also finish off the boxes here and the box here, right there. And these are the rose bushes. They're all doing pretty good. And then up here, we have 3 geraniums that we'd had during the summertime. They're doing pretty good, but I need to clean them up. And then this here is a Supertunia. And I don't think that one's going to make it. So for now, everything is looking pretty good. I'm just going to leave it like this. I come back and get the rest of the creeping buttercups. But other than that, we got, I'll probably just, I don't know what I'm going to do with those lemons. Maybe cut them off, let this plant move on with itself through this winter time. But anyhow, there we have it. Nice, clean